Hi, in this short video, I want to share with you my experience with a site like Adsy.com. It provides an equally beneficial partnership between website owners, managers who want to earn income from publishing their content, and business owners who want to maintain their website's ranking with backlinks. It's a win-win situation. Watch this video to the end so you don't miss some useful secrets I will reveal to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. And here we go.
Adsy is a platform that offers a mutually beneficial collaboration between two sides of the process. On the one hand, they are website owners who want to profit from their publications, and on the other hand, they are business owners who promote their sites with backlinks and audience exchanges. Adsy accomplishes these two goals simultaneously and connects publishers and buyers in one convenient system that makes it easy to place guest article orders, track progress, and make fair payments to each other. If you're a new Adsy user, you'll see that the publisher URLs are hidden. However, all options are available so you can make an informed choice. To see all the URLs, you need to make a one-time payment, your first top-up. This money will remain in your balance and you can use it to order publications from the publishers of your choice. You will also be notified of a $10 welcome bonus at Adsy, which you can receive by topping up your balance within 4 hours of signing up. Once you have chosen a platform, click on the Buy Publication button. On the next page, you can choose who will do the job for you. Then click the Select button. After that, create a task for the publisher, specify your requirements, and specify the URLs you are promoting. You can save the task as a draft to submit later or submit it immediately. Once you submit a task, the publisher will be notified immediately and will accept and begin working on your task or reject it. Use the task section to keep track of the progress of your task, communicate directly with publishers on any issues related to the task. It's also the place to get all your saved drafts and send them to your publishers. Another option is to use the open offer feature and start getting offers from publishers who are already open for work. As a buyer, you can also create open offers and let publishers bid for them. We recommend using it when you regularly need sponsored content from various publishers. In this case, you create an open offer, all the relevant publishers see it and bid if they're interested. This allows you to have a range of sponsored content resources. What's more, the open offer you create stays active for as long as you want, and you can effectively regulate the amount of content you receive. To create a new open offer, go to Open Offers page and click the Create Open Offer button. Provide basic requirements for publishers and their platforms. Select the type of services you expect. You can offer an approximate price that publishers can use as a starting point for placing their bids, or stay open to prices that publishers will offer. Know that you should not provide any content to publishers at this stage to avoid theft or plagiarism. You'll be able to do this after you've selected a publisher. Use the checkbox at the bottom of the page to activate the offer immediately so publishers start bidding, or take down the offer you created to activate it later. As soon as you submit an offer for bidding, publishers receive it, are notified, and begin bidding. From there, you can follow your offer on the Open Offer page. When you find publishers that meet your requirements and satisfy you with their quotes, accept them and create a detailed task. To accept the offer, click the More button. On the new page, click Accept. The task page is slightly different from the one you used to create a direct quote on the publisher search page. This is where you can provide publishers with your content if it is a content placement type task, or provide a detailed list of requirements for creating content and anchor tags that you want to see in the content. When a task is created, you can keep track of its progress in the tasks section, just like when you create tasks directly. To make it easier to find and organize guest posts, Adsy regularly introduces new features that you can find in your client panel: whitelisting and blacklisting. Have you found a site you like but aren't ready to order from it yet? Add it to your whitelist and the site will save it for faster access later. Or do you keep seeing a site in your search that for whatever reason doesn't work for you? Add it to the blacklist and the site will remove it from your result page in your inventory. Sometimes it can happen that you don't have enough time to search for publishers yourself. In that case, go to the list of recommended sites, which was compiled by the site's SEO specialists. These are the most natural sites with complete parameters and the best value for money that you can find in their inventory. You can use the Buy Content section in your client panel if the publisher you found only offers content placement and you can't write the content yourself. You need an article to post on your blog or a third-party site as a guest post. Just specify your requirements and our copywriters will create an article based on them within 5 business days. Now that you have all the information about working at Adsy, it's time to get great content about your business and tell the world about you. To receive any tasks or orders on Adsy, you must first add your websites to your Adsy inventory. Buyers can then see your websites and select you for content work. To add your site, go to the My Platforms page when you are in publisher mode. Click Add Website and accept the terms of use on the next page. When it comes to adding a website, you have several options. You can add a single site or a list of sites. If you continue the list, you must add the URL of each site on a new line. Otherwise, the site system will not be able to properly check your site. Once you add a site, you become a member. You can stay in that role and not confirm site ownership. It will not affect the site moderation process. However, if you want to confirm that you own the site, you can do it in 2 ways. By adding a special file to the root directory of your site, by including a special code in the source code on the main page of your site. You can add any number of sites as a member, but only 100 of them can be active. If you add more, they will be suspended until you confirm your reliability. The site must be in approved and active statuses for a buyer to place an order. You must also fill out all the information about the site. When you add a site, you can only fill in all the fields if you are the first one to submit a site. Another way to do this is to confirm your ownership. In all other cases, the site will be pre-filled with some information provided by the member who first added the site or the site owner. Thus, you will not be able to edit this information. After your site successfully passed moderation, you will be able to receive tasks from buyers. You can keep track of all the tasks you are working on in the toolbar or the tasks section. If you need to make any changes to the already added site, use special buttons. Press the Deactivate button to deactivate the site. Click the 3-dot button to view brief information about your site and click Modify to make additional changes. You'll get notifications every time a buyer sends you a task, so you can respond quickly. With open proposals, buyers demonstrate their need for sponsored content from different publishers or different platforms. This is a chance for you to get more tasks to work with, as sometimes buyers may miss your site when searching for publishers for some reason. Open Offer allows you to be proactive and offer your sites for work. To demonstrate your interest in an open offer, you need to set your price for it using a bidding scheme. Here's how it works. Go to the Open Bids page to see all the bids for which your sites are eligible. Sort the bids you want to work with by their type. Click the bid name to get more information about any bid and to bid. To place a bid, you need to select the site on which you plan to place a bid. Set a price that satisfies you. If the buyer has set an approximate price for the offer, bid accordingly. Some buyers want to be open to your price, then you set a price you are happy with. When buyers choose you to work on an offer, you get a notification about it and an opportunity to review the task they created. Accept it if you still want to work on it, or reject it if any requirements don't suit you. If you do accept the task, you can start working on it as you would on any direct task in Adsy. As always, you can see the workflow in the Tasks section.